In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a password on a MacBook Air M3. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is pretty simple, however it is hard to demonstrate since I am currently screen recording, but what you're going to want to go ahead and do is immediately press and hold down on the power button on your MacBook until it fully shuts off. Keep holding down until the screen goes completely black. After the screen goes completely black, what you're going to want to do is press and hold down on that power button again and keep holding down on this until you see the continue holding for startup options, and wait until those startup options actually begin loading. That's when you're going to want to let go. After a moment, you'll see your main drive as well as an options icon. Hit options and then choose enter recovery mode. Sometimes you just hit continue and it'll put you in this, but essentially after doing that, your Mac will start loading recovery tools, and when prompted to select a user, just select forgot all passwords. This is going to open up the password recovery process, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions. Now if your Mac is connected to an Apple account, you may be asked to verify ownership by signing in or confirming through your recovery options. If you don't remember your password, choose the forgot password option and follow the prompts to receive a verification code by email or text. But whenever your verification is complete, you'll be able to create a new password and sign back into your MacBook. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.